Many years ago, I was hanging out with some music educators in a room filled with drums. I hit one of the drum heads with my fingers and made an offhand comment about how out of tune the drum was. And another music educator started laughing, saying, "You can't tune a drum." I thought they were joking at first, only to realize that this band director had been teaching for years at a well-known high school and was finishing their doctorate in music education, but they had no idea that you could tune a drum. So I'm sharing this to say that 1, you need to tune your drums regularly, and 2, you need to tune your tenor drums more than the other drums. Here's why. The primary playing zone on instruments like snare and bass are in the center of the head. When playing with correct playing zones, this creates nearly equal tension across all of the different lugs. This means that they will all lose tension at roughly the same rate. But tenor drummers play everywhere but the center of the head, sometimes moving all around the head depending on what they're playing. This creates unequal tension across the lugs, as the lugs closest to the playing zones will lose tension faster than the lugs further away. This is one of the reasons why you have to retune and replace the tenor heads more frequently than other drums. So if you teach a drumline, make sure to budget extra time and money for the tenor heads. If you want to learn even more about proper playing zones on tenors, or how to do crossovers and other drumming lessons and tips, check out these playlists, or check out my YouTube channel's home tab for thousands of free exercises. Use the timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM or drumming tip.